Hey, it's Grady at Twin Creek Audio, back in the studio today. Today I have something slightly different to show you. I mean, I've talked about some tape delays and things before, but today I have a 1966 Echoplex EP-2. This is a tube Echoplex, so it's kind of heavy. This Echoplex is in working condition, but it needs to be restored. I do plan on restoring this, and eventually I'll do some sound demos. But today what I wanted to do is some pre-restoration close-ups of this all-original 1966 Echoplex EP-2. So here's the Echoplex. It's got the original sticker about avoiding distortion, adjust record level, and I can't read this because part of the sticker is worn away. But you can see that sticker there, and of course underneath the handles the Echoplex logo. And here, of course, the lid. That's the inside of the lid, and that's removable. And there's the Echoplex. It's the sliding head for the delay time. Echo repeats and volume. It's foot switch jack, and this lever actually is what starts the transport on the Echoplex when you plug into input 1, and then you've also got input 2 here. So this has got all the original cables, including the curly cord right here that's attached. So that's original. And of course the power cable. We have a non-polarized power cord. Obviously that might need to be upgraded. And we even have the original foot switch in here. Original foot switch. Of course, I think this would have had a plastic or a rubber base, and you can see this has been possibly pressed in on the top, or maybe that's the way they originally were. I don't know if anybody knows. You can leave it in the comments. But this is the original foot switch because the connector is really similar to that. At least I believe this is the original foot switch. It was with it. So, pretty cool. Here's a close-up of the Echoplex logo. And there you can see foot switch, repeats, volume, and then the recording light. Input 1 and 2, of course input 2 underneath the lever. And the main thing I wanted to show up close is here. You can see Market Electronics Inc., Cleveland, Ohio. So this is a Market Electronics Echoplex EP-2. And of course, I'll show you a little bit of the inner workings of it here in this video. The sticker here: to prevent loss of echo, clean tape heads frequently. So we can take this off of here very carefully. And we've still got the tape loop in here. So you can see this is fully complete. This is a complete Echoplex. And this actually does work. The motor and everything runs. It just has a lot of noise and hum because the caps in here probably need to be replaced. So that's the next step, is to restore this Echoplex. I love the curly cord. I don't know if this ought to be replaced or not, but this is neat that this is here. You can see these curly cables in videos of artists that used some of these on stage. I've seen photos and video where you can see this curly cord on these Echoplexes. So that's pretty neat. And then on the bottom, there you go, there's the other side. You can see the tape path and some of these things here. And then on the bottom, you've got, let me put the lid back on so I can show the bottom without messing anything up in here. And the fan here, the motor inside, doubles as the cooling fan for everything. I don't know if you can see it on the video in this position, but you can see some of the vacuum tubes and some of the big filter caps and things inside here. So that's the Echoplex EP-2. Make sure to check back for future videos about this Echoplex EP-2 because the goal is to restore this Echoplex and use it here in the studio for guitar tracks as well as possibly a send effect from the console. I'm really looking forward to getting the Echoplex restored so I can use it here in the studio. It will be possible to use it not only with a guitar amp or guitar, but also with a reamp device. I can use it as a tape delay in a mix here in the studio. So I'm really excited about that, and I will definitely be making some more videos. Thanks for joining me to see some close-ups of the original unrestored 1966 Echoplex EP-2. Make sure to like this video as well as subscribing to the Twin Creek Audio YouTube channel if you have not done so already. Also make sure to click the notification bell icon to see when I upload new videos here on this channel, including the videos that I'm going to be making in the future about the Echoplex EP-2. I appreciate everyone watching. Thanks so much to all the new subscribers out there. Hope everyone has an excellent day, night, evening, weekend, weekday, hour, minute, second, nanosecond. Whatever it is you're having, have a good one. Thanks so much for watching.